old Sally.
Okay. Remember what I told you. Take this one here.
You have to count 1, 2, 3.
All right. I will. Grab on. I'll tell you. Ready? 1. 2. 3.
You can have him. Is that bribery? Oh, that was really rude, wasn't it? Oh, look at you. How about that? Look at that shit. We got something else in common now.
Pop goes the weasel.
You fucking crazy? We are closed. Off the air till tomorrow. You'll have to just come back.
No, but yeah, but whoa. So this is Radioland, huh? The infinite turtle, the waves through the ether fuzz roll on forever. Roar! Can't close that. Hi, I know what you're thinking. This is weird, huh? But I can handle it. You know? You're my fave. Me and Bubba, my little brother, we listen to you every night. Music is my life. You know, you're my fave, but I get too embarrassed to phone in my request. It's too disembodied, you know. But now that we're here in flesh and blood, I could maybe make a request and it'd still count, huh?
Sure. Hmm?
Well, what about Iron Butterfly? You know, like In a Vida de Gata, baby. Oh, it's heavy.